Family, what's going on? Welcome back. Welcome back to the house and the beautiful view. So today we are back with some more financial information. Today we're talking about 5 reasons why credit cards are the best way to establish and grow your credit, okay? In a safe manner. It really is safe. If you mess up credit cards, that is on you, okay? So before we get started, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Make sure you like the video, please. If you like this video, share it, okay? Share the video, like the video, comment on the video. Let's go ahead and get started. Number 1, a credit card is the only line of credit that isn't a loan. So think about your mortgage. It's a loan. They give you $100,000, $150,000, however much money to pay down on that house. Think about a car. They give you $20,000, $30,000, however much to pay down on that car. A credit card starts at a $0 balance. It's almost like when you're in school. Remember when you were in school and you had that teacher that told you, everybody starts my class with an A, and what you do from here on out is up to you. It's the same principle. Get it? Principal, interest? Anyway, it's the same thing, right? So with a credit card, you start at a $0 balance, and if you use it, it goes up. But it starts at 0. You can open up a credit card and not use it for 2 or 3 months, and nothing happens, right? They have special deals now where you can go buy a car and you don't have to pay for 90 days or you don't have to pay for this many days, but it's not the same as not having any payments. Number 2, when you do have a balance, let's say your balance is $50, right? You pay that balance down to $0, you pay it off. Guess what? Your credit card does not close. What I mean by that, if you have student loans, if you have a mortgage, if you have a car payment, when you pay those things down and they hit a $0 balance, eventually, a couple of months later, those accounts close. However, a credit card, you can have it at a $0 balance and it doesn't close. It stays open, okay? From that point, we're going to go into number 3. Number 3 is longevity. You can take out a credit card and use it every month, put $50 on it every month, pay it off every month. And because it doesn't close, you can keep that credit card for years upon years upon years, and that establishes your credit history, right? So for example, I'm going to give you guys a quick personal example. When I paid off my student loans, my accounts closed, and some of my credit bureaus decreased because it showed that I was closing an account. With the credit card, you don't have to worry about that, because they don't close unless you close them. Or maybe if they're in really, really bad shape. I don't know about that. I haven't experienced that. Neither should you. Number 4, we kind of talked about this earlier, but now I'm going to give it its own point. A balance isn't necessary on a credit card. Again, we talked about the longevity and we talked about how the credit card doesn't close once you pay it off or once it's at a $0 balance. But it's nice to know that a balance isn't necessary. You don't have to have money that you owe to that creditor every single month. I've gone a couple months without even using my credit card, but it stays open. Now, you can't go years without using it, but you can go a few months. And when you do use it, it doesn't have to be anything extravagant. It can be a tank of gas. It can be food, 1 meal, just to say that you're using it. And number 5, now this is last, but it's certainly not least. With a credit card, you can immediately reap benefits from having the credit card. Now, I don't do this personally, but I know people who get money back on their credit cards. They get points so they can book flights and get hotel rooms. So again, that's an immediate monthly reward that you could retrieve that you don't have the option to do with other types of loans like your mortgage or your car payment or your student loans. So there you guys have it. Those are 5 reasons why credit cards, to me, are the best way to build and establish your credit. But be responsible. This is my disclaimer. Be responsible. With that being said, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to the channel. Okay? Share the video if you think someone else will find this information beneficial. And I appreciate you guys joining in. You guys have a wonderful day. Peace.